Alright now, you put me in a problem when me have to sleep and fret. And if you understand what I say.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another video on Wull. We are going to talk about where the description of the video says, so don't worry, it's just a quick intro to remind you to subscribe. And look at the time, the abductor hasn't been found as yet, so might as well we kick it off with the abductor himself, you see me? So this brother you will find out him named Davian Bryan, you see me? Yeah, right now him put other people in a jeopardize other people life with him film actions them guys. You see me? If him father right now, big man fear film life. Here guys, I'm gonna share the video with you first before we do, disclose anything else. This is what him father say.
One time, then saying, trouble you pick me. Me find out say, nothing about so. Me tell you the truth about it. And we look for him and say, Damian, you know say yourself, carry man from your gun, my mother yard, but left with my mother in a bed. And bomb go on till everything run gone, and the man come back and double it was. How that look to you? Look like you have in your mind, hour. You have in head no good hour. That more I know.
Sound more like in
head man, something in head.
But you were saying that you were receiving death threats?
Yes, man, then they come from and say that was all the coil I want to tell you. So be careful.
So you report the matter to the police?
Yeah, report, you see there. But you see me daughter, all me I tell him he come down, and the argument thing come down. If we just make a link and see where we can get through, if we can meet the boy people and get back them people. You understand? A few argument and they find me attack them and cuss me.
And you said as the mood in the community is that they want him dead?
Yes, man, everybody saying he dead like I'm a raper. Me here. Alright now, you put me in a problem when me have to sleep and fret. And if you understand what I say. Me don't know none of the about I Brian, the Lissy Brian, them if you know none of them was a raper. Me not do them something like bread then. Me don't know where man get them something like from. The man alright, the man an artist, the man can sing, sing like them man from the radio, brother. The man have a talent, so me don't know how the man just gone, so. Yeah?
When's the last time you spoke to him? When's the last time you saw him?
Alright, this is from the man go. Alright, now I tell you. You see when the case I know where with Nicky, and me a pay lawyer,
Okay. Yeah?
And me 500,000, Me can't eat, Alright, and me a pay lawyer. You see last case, I don't remember my last case, the last case, me go out there, talk to the man, I say, Damian, you sure you put me in you have $50,000 in my pocket. Me take out the $50,000. Me give the lawyer. Say, so you put me in $50,000 and me pay the lawyer. Right now, $140,000. Me beat up my brethren. If you see what me do to get the money,
So today, you get the money because you're not a rich man.
We dig the pit and I'm on the corner with building yard and we go dig. I'm rough man. Every minute
because of your son?
Yeah, to try to get him out. Every minute them a cost me. We work this, we feed this, every minute, Hey, me on that fire, so brother. You know what I mean, man?
I know him gone in this now.
I'm gone in that. Brethren, this woman me I say good enough, better than kill him, God, if he did better for me, remember me tell you, I'm up back and I see him job again. Only if you understand what I mean. Something wrong, man.
So, you would lift a hand to get him a lawyer now to get him out of it?
Me don't have the money again to go with the next lawyer. Me don't have the money again. Alright, now me a pay like 500,000 and 140,000 he lawyer already. And I juggle. Like me work with that man. Right now me there now, not in my team now. And 1 week now, me not going to look for the card. I can't go. Come like me can't go, I mean I'm not fear for fear.
Man father same spoil the Brian last name, guys. Yeah, you see me? To all the things that me nah go sacrifice the father for that brother your actions. I don't think we're gonna get justice in other way there. You see me, guys? Anyways, guys, up next we are gonna talk about what really happened at the Montego Bay Church. You see me, guys? So it's like a graphic scene that take place where a lot of different things that my guys, you see me, which me have a video where me go share with you too. So you can see for yourself. So this is a cartridge clip. If you can see so shooting go on, you see me cutting up go on with knife and that and that. Like one of the time, guys, me I hear say 2 cow there and a person say kill the cow and the person say man nah do it and the person say kill her because you know kill the cow. Yo, Jaja guys, you see me? This Jesus, yo, what kind of ritual this demon? Me here say be a man naked. Yo, me I share one video with you, yeah.
Me I tell us say, no normal na you tap there. The man there 3 cow in the place there, in the yard where we in the church business where them have, where they say they have. You see me? And like a leader tell one woman I like us say to kill the cow. The woman a buck chauffeur. I didn't tell one man say kill the woman. The man slash the woman short live sitting in like people that did it tell you know. But it's like them brainwash them brother, so it's like no trouble for them. You see me? You see me? Yo, brother, the scene dirty brother. Woman throat cut, man stab up. So if a long night upon the scene, brother, me tell you say I be a naked man. Every one of the man they naked now. Police when them just go there no man. I pass time see a move. You don't know if you tell cock stiff naked as the band going at the pool. You know. I be yo brother, me tell you something normal happen there, brother. Yo, I don't know a normal happen there so, since night. Yeah man, everybody naked. The whole of man them out there dress who get gunshots, stab wound. The whole of the man they naked, brother. Naked as the day them born. Yo.
Alright people, you know we're up to date, you know. Like every day we keep up with this. No lazy thing, you know. You see me? So, guys, they must say Mobile are the root of all evil. You see me? Due to the things them way happen. Really and truly though, guys. You see me? Me know evil a place than them place they said way, but for our local island where we have right now itself, we need to get things under control. When I know rapists, molester, abductors, and murderers, guys. You see me? It's like the people them no plan to make a change, like them say our country can do better, and yet still we not get that out due to the people them. You see me? Yo, me is a man from when I see me there upon the YouTube I do my work. You know me is a man to myself. You see me? Me rather entertain my audience and just do this and stay.